Hey, Mark Nelson, and welcome to my most favorite channel on YouTube. It's mine. Today, what I want to share with you, that's really cool because I do like my channel, but today what I want to do is I want to share with you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, and that's key. That's a huge number, and it's the biggest challenge for a lot of people, including me, to get there. But after you get your first 1,000, then it becomes easier and easier. So here are the steps to get your first 1,000 subscribers. One is you need to start a channel. Put a profile picture, a banner, write a bio, put your social media links, find your niche. Now, I'm going to do how-to trainings on all of those, but that's the first thing you do is you need to get your own channel. Number two is you need to start uploading videos. And people always ask me, well, what kind of camera do you use? I don't have the right tools. I use my smartphone most of the time. Today I'm using my webcam. I use screen sharing a lot. I use Camtasia. I use Camtasia really for how-to videos, right? Of sharing how to training videos and how I'm going to show you how to put up a YouTube channel. But that's not what I'm talking about today. Usually what I do is I do my smartphone. I don't edit. I'll get to a spot where there's pretty good lighting. I might be outside, might be in my car, might be using a selfie stick walking out by the water. I live by the lake, but I do my video and I upload them. The key with you is you need to be consistent. If you're brand new and your goal is to get to 1,000, I really suggest trying to do one video a day. One video a day. If you can't do that, do 3 a week. Do one a week, but be consistent. But if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers fast, I would do one a day. The third one, many people ask, well, what do I share my videos at? Well, search out in your niche, search out your competitors, see what they're doing. Right now, don't copy them, but I watch a lot of videos, and then I put it in my spin if they're talking about something that's really cool. Again, I'm not copying, I'm just using ideas to put out more videos. Use their keywords, right? The keywords, the SEO, sees YouTube is a search engine thing. They find you, people find you. You put a video up on Facebook, it's there for a while, but YouTube, it can be there for a year and then it can go viral. So you want to be able to find the right keywords. And keywords, you want to put your keyword in the title, in your description, in your thumbnail. And what I do is I look at competitors, what they use for keywords, and I use tools, free tools called vidIQ and TubeBuddy. And I have both of them. I use them on Chrome, I use them on Firefox, depending where I'm at. But I see what keywords they're searching for, what they're using. And again, I don't copy, but I'm using their material or some of their stuff to help build my videos up too. After you upload your videos, this is the fifth tip, you need to share it, right? You put it in a blog post if you have a blog. You put it in your email list. Even send it out in ManyChat if you have Messenger. Social media links. Maybe have some friends share it. That's all you do is you share your videos. Then what you need to do is you need to write a description. Right? It doesn't have to be long, but I try to get anywhere from 150 words to 500 words in there, and I put my keywords inside of it because of SEO. I want people to find that so they come find my video. The seventh one, you want to get to 1,000 subscriptions. Ask. And you got to hustle this thing to get to 1,000. Ask people to subscribe. Ask people in your email list. Ask people in your videos to subscribe. See, when you watch this video, click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that little bell because then you're going to get notifications every time I'm putting a video up. And that is so key because I'm going to be teaching you about affiliate marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, anything on how you can make money in your business. So now we're at the eighth one, probably the most important, is you got to have a call to action. Now, it's no different than on Facebook. You can't put a link in or have a call to action that's always trying to sell to people. One, you have to give out value, but have a call to action. It could be, will you please like my video, subscribe, and click on that notification button. would you please click on that link below and get on my email list, because I give out great value, some kind of call to action, give out free training. That's all it is. So I hope you enjoyed this. But again, the keys, and I think I told 8 of them. I did tell 8 of them. One is you need to start your channel, right? Get your channel up and running. Start uploading videos consistently, and maybe go on a 30-day run of putting out a video a day. Be consistent. Learn about search engine optimization, and do that by searching out competitors, finding your content. Again, don't copy. Look what keywords they're using. Look what topics they're answering, the questions they're answering. YouTube is answering questions, a how-to channel, right? Number 4 is the keywords, and use those free tools called vidIQ and YouTube Buddy, and then share your videos. Put a description on, ask people to subscribe, put out a call to action, and you are on your way. So I hope you got value from that. And if you did, subscribe to my channel. Click on that little bell. And we will talk again soon. You take care.